What's on the front of this book?
Holy.
What's that?
Here.
A what?
What?
A rooster. What's the rooster say? What's the rooster say? Oh, you've forgotten. It says cock-a-doodle-doo. There's a hen. What's the hen say? And the chick? What's the chick say? What's that? A pig. That's right. And what's that? A what? What's that? A sheep. What's the sheep say? Good girl. There's a turkey. And what's that? What's that? A duck. Yes, what's the duck say? Good girl. What's that? What's that? A horsey. Yes, what's the horse say? Good girl. Oh, what's that? A cow. Good girl. What's the cow say? Good girl. This is Melissa at 18 months, knowing all her animals. What's that? A goat. Good girl. And what's that? A pusscat. What's the pusscat say? What's the pussycat say? What's the pussycat say? Yes, that's right. And what other animal noises do you know? What does the owl say? Good girl. What's the kookaburra say? That's degenerated a bit, hasn't it? What's the car say? What's the car say? Yeah, that's right. What's the frog say? Good girl. What's the fish say? What's the fish say? What does the fish say? That's right. We got the right mouth movements anyway. What's in this book? Some puppy dogs. What's the puppy dog say? Yeah. Doggy, yes. He's all the way through the book, isn't he? And what's in this one? Oh. What's that? Yes, there's a lot of bees, aren't there? What's that? A bear. Yeah. What's that? What's that? Yes, it's a frog. And where are the kangaroos? Can you point to the kangaroos? Yes, good girl. You have a look. You turn the pages. Zebra. Well, it's like a sheep, isn't it? It's got big horns. That's right. It's called a yak. Good girl. Yak. Yes.